I remember one devotee said, Srila Prabhupada, is it true that only the devotees who are doing Sankirtan are the pure devotees of Krishna? And Prabhupada, who is not doing Sankirtan? This whole movement is based on Sankirtan. Who is not doing Sankirtan? Everyone is combining together to cooperate with the one single purpose of spreading Sankirtan. If one person doesn't cook the prasadam, how the devotees will eat to go out and distribute? If one person, every person is combined together. One person may be taking greater risk than another. Whoever puts himself out the most in his devotional service, taking shelter of Guru and Krishna, he gets the best. He can get more mercy. But who isn't doing Sankirtan in this movement? Who is fully surrendered? The whole movement is based upon spreading. And everyone should have that preaching mood. How can I cooperate with the desire of Srila Prabhupada to work as a gear, as a nut, as a bolt, as a wheel in the huge machinery of ISKCON for the purpose of preaching this Sankirtan movement? The whole machine is going to that destination only, to spread Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's message everywhere.